Here is your maths book. You have to open your maths book and take out page number 16. Which page? Page number 16. The first number is 1. How you will write 1? You have to start it from here. Draw the line and follow the dots, and you have to stop it here. Follow the dots. Okay, and here first you will draw slanting line, and then you have to draw and join the dots, and this line is called standing line. Here is one apple. You have to color one apple. Okay students, all of you show me your one finger. Show me your one finger like this. How many fingers? One finger. Very good. Now you have to turn the page and you have rough practice. You will do practice how you will write one. First you have to draw slanting line and then standing line. Okay, you have to do this. Page number 18. You have to trace it with pencil. Now you have exercise of 1. Here is 1. Now you will match 1 with that butterfly. Okay student, here is exercise of 1. Trace 1 and the line which joins one butterfly. You have to trace 1 and you have to match it with one butterfly. And here I put also some trees. Students, you have to pick just one tree. I will pick this one tree. How many trees I have picked? I have picked just one tree. Okay students, thank you.